Hi, welcome to the Modern Prophet, where faith meets anime and the faith meets your real life. Today we're diving into something super real, how to pray to God, quick and easy guide. No fancy words, no spiritual performance, just you, God, and your voice. Let's dive in. A prayer isn't a ritual, it's a relationship. Think of it like a child talking to a parent, a friend sharing their deepest thoughts, or even your own heart crying out in the quiet. Prayer is your direct line to the ultimate Father, God Himself. In the Bible, Jesus said in Matthew 6:6, "When you pray, go into your room, close the door, and pray to your Father, who is unseen." So you don't need a church, a microphone, or perfect words. You just need honesty. Here's a simple framework I use known as ACTS. A. Adoration. Start by worshiping God. Tell Him who He is to you. Like in God, you're holy, powerful, and patient with me. C. Confession. Be real about your mess-ups. God, I messed up today. I lied. I was selfish. I need your mercy. T. Thanksgiving. Thank Him for something, even the small stuff. Thank you for waking me up, for anime that lifts me, for food, for second chances. S. Supplication. A fancy word for asking. Help me with my anxiety. Provide for my family. Heal my broken friendships. But also, it's okay to just talk, like a conversation with a father or best friend. That's freestyle prayer. Be raw. Be honest. Sometimes we feel like we're not good enough to pray, like God won't listen unless we're perfect. Newsflash. No one in the Bible had it all together. David prayed after he sinned. Elijah prayed in fear. Even Jesus prayed with pain and sweat. God isn't looking for perfect words. He's looking for your heart. It's okay to cry. It's okay to be silent. He hears it all. Prayer isn't about performance. It's about presence. Just showing up. Whether it's 1 minute or 2 hours, whether you're kneeling, walking, or journaling, God is listening. Start today. Say something, anything. He'll meet you there. If this helped you, share it with someone who's struggling to pray too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We're building a community of warriors of faith and fans of anime right here on The Modern Prophet.